Just because you are struggling doesn't mean you are failing. When someone helps you and they are struggling too, that's not help, that's love. I want to wake up with you every morning and fall asleep beside you each night. Be proud of yourself for how hard you are trying. Those blessings hit different when you remember what you went through to get them. If your path is difficult, it is because your purpose is bigger than your thought. A guilt that motivates you is a blessing. If you want to change, expand your mind. Always don't open new doors. One day someone will walk into your life and make you see why it never worked out with anyone else. Stop doubting yourself. Work hard and make it happen. If you are reading this, I hope something amazing happens to you today. You deserve it. Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how slow. Content people may not have the best of everything, but they make the best of everything. I run my own race. I have no desire to be better than anyone. Timing is everything. If it's meant to be happen, it will come at the right time for the right reason. You should tell people how important they are to you always.